What is your name?
My name is Roshan Krasta.
Coming from?
I'm coming from Kuwait.
What is the where? What you are working there?
I work as a photographer.
So what is your problems?
I have I had gastritis and pain in the legs, weakness in the legs actually, and also some pain in the shoulder.
Cervical and shoulder.
Yeah.
And some difficult in climbing steps and all you say.
Yeah, because
From
of
when this problem started?
the weakness in the legs was at least since 3-4 years. Yeah.
And gastric?
The gastric has been there for a long time. Yeah.
You tried a lot of medications, I think, so for this?
Yeah, I tried a lot of medications. Yeah. English medicine didn't work at all. Yeah.
And what about you tried also acupuncture, Chinese acupuncture you said?
Yes, I tried Chinese acupuncture.
How many months you tried?
For almost 9 months. Yeah.
So what you found the effect of our treatment and compared to their treatment?
Yeah, the thing is their treatment was very different, and the treatment here is also very different from what I received there. The weakness in my legs has definitely gone, so that is a big improvement for me.
Within how many days you are taken treatment now?
I just did about 8 days.
8 days. From second or third day you told me about that climbing and all was possible, no?
Yeah.
So what do you want to say about it? What about the gastric problem and all?
The gastric problem is a lot better. I mean, it's under control. It's not so bad. Yeah.
And what about cervical?
The cervical, there is a lot of relief in my upper back. Because of my work, I used to have a lot of pain in
The strain and stiffness was there. That day you were doing like this, you know?
Yeah.
Again and again you are trying to shift your, which is not now. You are relaxed now.
Also, when I would wake up in the morning, there would be a stiffness in my upper back. So nowadays, when I wake up, that's not there.
So as to compare to what you have taken treatment in Chinese acupuncture from Chinese doctor, Chinese acupuncture, I am also Chinese acupuncture only, but in Chinese doctor and difference, because this is a lot of research which we have done in our center. That works a lot than the actual original acupuncture. So we have just taken your recording just because a lot of people think that Chinese acupuncture means it will be taken in China or Chinese doctor. But whereas now we got lot of records now, which lot of patients have taken Chinese doctor's treatment and having no work there, and then after coming to my center they say here the treatment is always like wonder. So that is the difference, means because our own research is what we have done. So you are happy with the treatment?
Yes.
What do you want to say for the other people?
I say that I mean, I cannot. I'm working in Kuwait and I cannot stay here for a long time, so I did a short-term treatment of 10 days. Definitely if I had continued, it would have been a lot better. But whoever, definitely I recommend other people to continue treatment here and even try it out for at least a month or so and see how it works.
Then next time when you are coming, we will complete your total other problems also.
Sure.
Okay?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.